All right. What is up, Integrity Partners? Today I'm going to be talking about the new Integrity Health Plan, which is one of the coolest new benefits available now to you all as our partner. And what I'm going to be doing is I want to cover a couple of things here on the frequently asked questions to highlight. And then after I go through some of these most important things on the FAQ, I'm going to show you exactly where you can enroll. So, once again, folks, this is available now to you. So, we're just going to jump right into it. Okay. So, a couple of things here, folks. There are no enrollment periods. There are three different plan designs, and it's all meant to be comprehensive coverage that's more affordable than what you can get on the ACA side. Okay. There are a couple of different plans here. I'm not going to spend a ton of time on like the plan designs and stuff like that, as you will see those as you log in. Also, a couple of things I wanted to highlight. These plans are HSA eligible. Okay. And for those of you who don't know what an HSA is, it's a health savings account. It is one of the greatest wealth building tools you can have. At is all you Your gains are tax free and your withdrawals are tax free. So from personal experience, my wife and I and my children have this. And what we always recommend is that, when you're automatically contributing to an HSA that is invested into a fund, to let that grow. So what we were always taught is when you go to the doctor or you go to something that's HSA eligible, try to pay out of pocket for it so you don't touch the HSA account, but save your receipt. And then what you can do over the years is, if you are in need of some cash, or even when you retire, you can get yourself reimbursed, but those funds are invested, so they stay invested for a while. So it is one of the most popular tax strategies and wealth building strategies. I absolutely love it, that it is qualified for it. So no enrollment periods, HSA eligible. Some of the tax premiums are tax deductible as always. Consult with your tax advisor or your financial advisor about the HSA eligibility and the tax deductions. Okay. Um, Integrity has made it really easy, and I'd be more than happy to send you over this FAQ list, or contact us here at Tidewater to send this over to you. But you can check your doctor list here. Like I said, a lot of this stuff I don't want to cover because it is pretty self-explanatory. Once you go through it, it talks about prescription drug coverage, it talks about who's eligible. You have to be a Tidewater Integrity partner. You also have to have a federal employer identification number. If you don't have that, it's super easy to get. Integrity provided a link right here to where you can go ahead and do that. There are some health questions. Let's see here. What else do I want to go through? How do I get coverage? Super simple. I'm going to show you here in a minute. But it really just walks you through exactly everything on here in your FAQ. But I did want to highlight that HSA eligibility because that is really, really, really cool. Okay. All right. So, what I'm going to do now, folks, is I am going to share my screen, and I'm going to show you how you can get in and you can actually apply for these benefits. Okay. So, everything is through Integrity Connect. Okay. So, this is where your CRM, the enrollment platform, everything's going to be in there. Now, if you look here just at the top of the screen, there is a little toggle button right here. It's a little tough to see. But a lot of these things, and it was right there, but some of these other things, a lot of discounts and E&O and stuff like that, that you get as our partner, you have access to. But I'm going to toggle to this first one right here, the Integrity Health Plan, health insurance built for you. All you do is come over here and you click on Enroll Now. Now, after this, folks, it is very, very self-explanatory. Actually, let me hold on a second here. Let me get back into that screen. Sorry about that. And so you can see it. Let's see here. All right. There we go. Okay, so this is the next screen that you'll see. So this is where you actually go in and you can enroll into your benefits. So it's super simple. This one page landing page will kind of walk you through some of the other stuff that's in the FAQ. Um, but they give you a detailed list on here how to get started. But if you're ready to go, if you got your FEIN number, you can just go and click on get quote, which I'm gonna hop right back over to that screen again and to show you how easy this is. So you can jump in here. So you just walk right through this. It's just like a normal application. You type in your date of birth, your gender, your zip code. If you want to cover your spouse or your children, yes, these health insurance benefits can also cover your family, which is really cool. And then you just hit calculate. It's going to ask you a couple of different questions about your health, and then it's going to show you the different plans that are available. So, folks, this is a really cool benefit, and it really is that simple. What I wanted to do was I wanted to show you how easy this was, and there's no enrollment periods. Once you do enroll, you have to stay in that plan until the next open enrollment period comes up. It's just like your standard group enrollment, but it is a really cool program. But like I said, I don't want to take a ton of time. I just kind of wanted to show you where to find this information and how to do it. If you did want that FAQ, the frequently asked questions, you can feel free to email me, Mike at tidewatermg.com. You can call the office, 888-622-9122. The team here would be glad to send that over to you. But, folks, it's pretty simple. It's a great benefit. It's something that we're really proud of that we're able to, get approved and launch. So you all have access to it. It's a incredible benefit. So I hope that you find this helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. And like I said, if you need that form, the frequently asked questions, you can give us a call at 888-622-9122. You can email me, Mike at tidewatermg.com. I've got it saved on my desktop so I can get over to you really easily. But take advantage of it, folks. It's great benefits. And a lot of the quotes that I'm running, it's more affordable than the ACA. And I love it that it is HSA eligible. That is a great, great, great wealth building tool that you can take advantage for you and your family. So hope you have a great day, folks. Take care. Thanks.